Hi, boys and girls. I hope you're having a good Monday so far. Let's have a good math meeting today. So, how many days are there in a week? Do you remember? Let's count it out just to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days in a week. That's right. Let's do the song that helps us remember. Ready? There are 7, there are 7, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And what day is today? Remember what day it is when it's the first school day of the week? What day is today? Yeah, today is Monday, the first school day of the week. Say, today is Monday. Very good. Let's move on to months of the year. Do you remember off the top of your head how many months there are in a year? Yeah, there's 12 months in a year. You can stand up on the ground and then do the song and the dance that goes with our months of the year if you would like to do that. So go ahead and stand up. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Good job, 5K. Thanks for doing that with me. Do you remember what month we are in right now? Which one of the 12 we're in right now? Yeah, we're in October, right? October. And what day in October? Well, let's take a look. Here's our calendar, and I added the weekend days, which means that the day that we're up to today is this one. So do you remember what number comes after 11? Let's start from 1 just to get to 12. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right. What two numbers make up 12? 12. 12 is made up of, yeah, a 1 and a 2 in that order, right? A 1, then a 2. And remember for our calendar, we always have a pattern for the shapes. What shape are we on today? If the day before was a circle and the day before was a rectangle. Let's say the shape pattern together to see what today is. Ready? Let's start from the beginning. Ready? Rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, circle, which would make today, yeah, another circle. So today we have 12, a 1 and a 2 on a circle. Monday, October 12th. Very good. So now that we know what today is, let's write it together. If you have your whiteboard or a piece of paper, you are welcome to write it with me and then show me what good work you did today. So today's date is, we said, October 12th. So we write October 1st, right? So let's look at how to spell it. The first letter is always a special letter. Why is the first letter always special in a month? Yeah, the first letter is special because it's capitalized. It's a special name of a month. A special name always is a capital letter. So we're gonna do a capital O first. Make sure you touch your top and bottom lines. And after our O, what letter makes the k sound? Yeah, C. Now we have a lowercase c. This one you'll only touch vanilla and the bottom line. What letter makes the t sound? Yeah, a T does. A T does. And this one will just be a regular T, not anything with that tail on it. So you can go down and then cross on vanilla. All right. We have act, o. This o makes the o sound, doesn't it? This one is a lowercase, so go ahead and make your lowercase o. All right. What letter do we have next? Can you tell without sounding it out right here? Yeah, this letter makes the b sound, which is a B. Yeah, a B. October, October. So we can make a B now. And to make a B, you go top to bottom and give it a belly to the right, right? Belly to the right. Very good. All right. Now we are on to our last letters of October. And remember, just like in September, October, the last two go together because they make the sound. E-R makes right? So you can go ahead and make your E and your R on your paper now. All right, boys and girls, now that we have our month written, what comes next when we write the date? Once we have our month, then we move on to, yeah, the number, the day, the number of the days, which we said earlier was, yeah, a 12. A 1 and a 2 make 12. So go ahead and write your 1 and 2 for 12 over here. And then for your 2, curve around and slide to the right for your 12. And what can we not forget after our day to separate the day and the year? Yeah, your cute little comma, don't forget that. Your sideways smile right on that bottom line. Don't make it floating here or floating down here. Put it right on that bottom of the two. Next, now we can finally write our year, right? And we are in the year of, yeah, 2020. So we can make our first number, which is what number comes first? Yeah, 2 comes first. So we can do the same way as we made the 2 in our 12, right? Go around and slide to the right. After we have our first 2 comes a 0, which will touch the bottom and the top, just like our capital O. They kind of look the same, right? Now we can make, what's the next number after that? 2, 0. Yeah, we'll make another 2. Curve around and slide to the right for that one as well. And now we have our last number to write for here, which is yeah, another 0. So go ahead and make that. And now you've written the number today. Good job, boys and girls. Yeah, that means it is time to stop. So go ahead and grab a marker or a pen tab and say it with me. Ready? Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is October 12th, 2020. Very good, boys and girls. Thanks for doing that with me. We can move on to the days in school, for how many days we've been in school so far, which is this yellow number line down here. So last Friday we were up to 31, which makes today we'll be up to how many? Yeah, after 31 comes 32. Very good. And what two numbers make 32? Yeah, a 3 and then a 2, because there's 3 10s and 2 1s, so that comes after 31. And if you were here in school with us, we would have one of you fill in our days in school, right? So I'm going to be drawing in this one right above 31. It will be 32. So I'll do that quickly. Very good. So let's move on to our 10s and 1s for 31. Like I said before, how many, we'll be looking up here, how many 10s are in 32? You can always look at the tens place, which is 3, right? 3 10, 32. So that goes here. Halfway down and around again for a 3. That, the T is for 10. And then how many ones are there in 32? You can look at the ones place, which is this one, means there's 2 ones, right? 2 ones in 32. So I'm going to make the 2 in our ones column, O for ones. So boys and girls, now that we're done with that, we can move on to our pattern for today. And so if you were writing the pattern with me. So first you'll have to write the first 3, 2, 5, 9, right? And then if this pattern repeats itself, what comes next after the 9 if this all repeats again? Yeah, if this repeats, we'll be back to the beginning. It's supposed to be 2, right? So go ahead and make a 2 to continue your pattern if you're doing it with me. And you curve around and slide to the right. Like that. After we have our 2, what comes after that? Yeah, to find out, you look at the first part, you go find your 2, and you see what's after that. And after we have our 2, we have 5, right? So go ahead and make a 5 now. To make a 5, you go down, around, and then you give it a hat like that. Very good. Next, that was very neat. Next, we'll do after your 5, we'll come back to our 5. Yeah, a 9. A 9 is our last one. So go ahead and make 9. A circle and a line make number 9 like that. Very good. All right, now that we have our pattern done, we can move on to the weather. So go ahead and look out your window and see what the weather is like by your house. All right. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? All right. So I hope that it's a cloudy day for you because my phone said that it would be cloudy today on October 12th. So go ahead and sing the song with me if you know it. Ready? It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. All right, so look at our graph. We have so many cloudy days so far. How many more cloudy days are there than sunny days? Do you know how many more there are than sunny days? If you said that there's 2 more cloudy days than sunny days, then you are correct. And you can tell that because there's 2 up here, 2 more than sunny. So that's how you can tell. All right, boys and girls, let's move on to our final thing we have to do today, which is our shapes. I'm going to show you a shape, and then you tell me what it is and how many sides there are. How about this one? Yeah, this is a square, and it has 4 sides. Very good. How about this one? Yeah, this is a circle, and it has 0 sides, right? It's just round all the way around. How about this one? Yeah, it's a triangle, and it has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and it's a triangle no matter which way I hold it, right? All right, and finally, this is our newer one, right? What about this one? Yeah, this is a rectangle, and you know it's a rectangle because it has longer sides than the other 2, unlike the square that has all the same. The rectangle has some that are longer, and it also has 4 sides. So thank you, boys and girls, for sticking with me. Have a good rest of your schoolwork today and a good Monday.